Hello class 7. In the previous class you have read about the perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle and therefore the circumcenter and circumcircle of a triangle. And today we are going to understand incenter of a triangle. Incenter of a triangle is formed by the angle bisectors of the angles of a triangle. So first we have to understand the angle bisectors and then incenter and hence for in circle of a triangle. So take a look at this. Students, our topic is incenter of a triangle. First of all, we have to understand angle bisectors of a triangle. An angle bisector of a triangle is a line segment that bisects an angle of the triangle and has its end and has its other end on the side opposite to the angle. You can see in this figure ABC is a triangle, and is this ABC triangle, you can see AP is the angle bisector of angle A of this triangle. This AP divides this angle A into two equal halves, and this AP ends in the opposite side BC at P. Now again you can see BQ is the bisector of angle B, and similarly CR is the angle bisector of angle C, and you can see all these angle bisectors meet at a point I, and this point I is called incenter. You can see this in another triangle. Suppose this is a triangle and we are going to draw the angle bisector of this angle, which is like that, and the angle bisector of the other angle like that, and finally the angle bisector of the third angle, which passes through the concurrent point, and ultimately you can see in this triangle ABC, AD is the bisector of this angle A, BE is the bisector of this angle B, and CF is the angle bisector of this angle C. Keep it in mind, these are not the midpoints. No, we have to be careful about that. This CF is just the angle bisector of this angle, as you draw in class 6. So all these sides, all these angle bisectors meet at a point. This you can see this point. This point is taken as I, which is called incenter. And when you draw perpendicular from this eye to one side, suppose IL is the perpendicular from this point. When you draw IM perpendicular to this point, and when you draw IN perpendicular to this point, then all these perpendiculars are same in length, and hence you can say that all these sides are equidistant from AB, BC and AC. All these sides are equidistant from the in center I, and hence when you put your compass here and taking this as a radius, and you can draw a circle which touches all its sides, you can see, and hence this is a circle inside the circle, so it is called in circle, and this is the in radius, because these are equidistant, so in radius. So conclusively we can say that in center of a triangle is the point of concurrence of the angle bisectors of the triangle is called in center. The point of concurrence, in both the figure you can see, in center is equidistant from all the sides of the triangle, so we can draw the in circle, and the in circle of a triangle is the circle that just touches the sides of the triangle, just touches the sides of the triangle. Students, now I think you better understand the in center and angle bisectors of the triangle. You can also watch me on my YouTube channel, Ocean of Maths. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.